Hey, fifth grade. I'm going to walk you through really quickly how you can put together your final presentation for your Wax Museum project. This is your assignment for March 15th on Friday. It's your last social studies assignment of the year. You guys have worked really hard on this project already. You've done all the research, you wrote the script, you created your timeline. This week you just get to put it all together. Next week we'll spend a day watching the presentations from our peers and just enjoying them. But today you're going to put it all together. This is your assignment for today. Your timeline is right here. That should already be done. That was due today. So make sure your timeline is done. I did put together a little example for you here. I did my live. But I'm going to show you how you're going to get your script and the words in your research onto your presentation. So you have two options. Your first option is very low tech. If you are not a computer person, the second option is a video, and so that might be a little bit much. You can do either one. The first option, though, is simply typing your script into a second slide here. So you can slide, new slide, and on this new slide, you can copy and paste your script to this slide. Okay, you can change the font, you can change the size to make it fit. I would go to your script. You'll have to unsubmit it, but I would just copy and paste it right over here. You do not have to retype it. Copy and paste it over here. You can add a colored background. You can change your font and make sure that it's readable for your peers. But then that'll be it. You'll be done. As long as your timeline is finished, that can be your whole presentation. As long as your script is typed out, that way your peers can read it. That is your first option. Second option is a little bit more involved. The second option is creating a video with your script, which will be really fun for your peers to be able to listen to your voice as you do it. And it's not that tricky. So you'll need to go to your camera app. If you just type in the search bar, if you type in camera, it'll pop up your camera app. It's not going to let me film right now since I'm doing this tutorial video, but you'll pop it open, you'll hit record on the video slide, and then read your script. You can have your script pulled up on the computer. That way you can just read through it word for word. It doesn't have to be memorized. You don't have to be standing. You don't have to be in costume. You can just be sitting at your kitchen table just like I am and read your script. Once it's done, turn the video off. It'll automatically save the video to your computer. So the next thing we have to do is move that video from your computer to your Google Drive. And it's not that tricky. I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you open up your files, and from the camera app, it should take you here, or at least give you the option to go to your files. But you can also just click in files down at the bottom in the search bar. If you go to your camera roll, it should be here. It's also probably under videos or pictures. But if you have one that says camera roll, it's probably a good chance you're going to find it. It's going to have a weird name like this, though. So what I did is I right-clicked or tapped with two fingers if you're on a Chromebook. And I hit rename, and I renamed it Wax Museum Script. It's going to be easier for you to find it if you have it named something like that. So I renamed it Wax Museum Script. Once you have it named something different, then you'll go to your Google Drive, and we'll just upload it here. It's actually pretty simple. We'll hit New, File Upload, and then I have mine open to Pictures already. So you click here on Pictures, or again, click here on Camera Roll. It's in both places. And this is why I said renaming it's going to be really helpful, because it may not be the first one here, but you can always search your camera roll. So I can start typing in Wax Museum Script and it'll pop up for me. Okay, so you'll click on that, you'll hit open. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again, but that will download it to your Google Drive. That makes it super easy to put into your slides presentation. So remember, if you're not doing the script on the second slide, you don't need a second slide. It'll all be on one. We'll go insert. We're going to insert a video. Mine's right at the top because that's the last thing that I opened in my Google Drive. Yours might not be. Again, if not, you know what you named it. You'll just type in the search. It'll pop up Wax Museum Script. You'll click on it, and it will insert it into your, really big, into your presentation. You'll want to resize it so that it's not covering up any words. And obviously it's more for the audio. We don't really need to see your face, but we want it there on the screen. That way when your peers go to look at your timeline, they'll just click on that video and they'll be able to listen to you reading your script as they follow along with your timeline. Those are your two options. If you need help, please let me know. I'll be on Hangouts today and on Monday. My goal is for this to be downloaded or uploaded or turned in, submitted by Monday. Okay, I'm going to put it all together with some easy links for us to use because we're going to spend Tuesday and watch each other's presentations. I'm super excited to see it. You guys have done an awesome job. If you need help, please ask. I'm looking forward to seeing them. Bye, guys.